Assam Sarkar lapen Meghalaya Sarkar ang bong give and take polisi along Karbi Anglong along leta kidun jiangring.
Wholesale Consumer and Marketing Cooperative Society Limited along Bang Hukangwai Kapadopon. Manjalong pang tek gari ke patong tekang ajok adimalong amat bang hini apran kedam.
Aron ripen sangti ki ponagari aphan ingnam raikom sai khatum kenebdun. Karbi Anglong along le ke konjiang theke klang. Pina ana long le Meghalaya Sarkar atum ke parloji ang. Amri constituency angkang ki ongdung along le Meghalaya aphan ke pek nang ji angring. Prabjin pen Karbi Anglong along le Meghalaya atum ke cepari deng tahai. Bonta ing samri si doklip. Ham phang song do anta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council atumta ikroy dunang theke chepaklang dunuma Assam CM Meghalaya CM atum kaching wai ke patep apong pita lahai alam ke cherok togarar atum kaning ji alam the Assam la pen Meghalaya Sarkar ang bong ahoy puthak cherok togalam don kichun jiang deng kedam tang ko ane ningkan pen one ke charbo sai longle puthak kachepang samjanat ke paprang Jasemet Assam lapen Meghalaya Sarkar ang bom kai ke talong lealam ki juje pleng. Laso ki pang samjia pan India Home Minister Amit Shah penta Assam CM lapen Meghalaya CM ang bom kedam tangapor chingwailo. Laso fi give and take polisi alam don persi chekroilo. Ihi atum long le pilote ihi atum ta long le pichunang pon. Laso long le ki cepat choy je pan chekroisi ave chingwai bom lo. Lason si Laso cek luang bong kalite mo cek lu kiceng aru alom Assam Sarkar lapen Meghalaya Sarkar ang bong puthot kacing wai do chupo labang so long le alam ki kipat jujia phan hinia Sarkar chelang si regional committee isi kipang ni jia phan si kisik pon tang kevang jarni Laso regional committee atum si aduya hoy humri dam polapen koloswa long lisi Assam aphan ke pek jima lapen koloswa long lisi Meghalaya phan ke pek jima halaswa hawaralom Akumiti atum si rara phan than pachimito. Lasolong isi so dagalam ke Assam Sarkar atum Meghalaya phan ke pek ji po along le along. Karbi Anglong along leta kidun prinjang thek sinang klang. Bonta non puta ham phang asong atum ta ing samri. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council atum ta ing samri. Tangte Karbi Anglong along le Meghalaya phan ke pek along. Chedon dun dat poma puta. Cherok togarar atum ningje pon rinti. Jasemet Amri constituency lapen Chingthong constituency along keong dung Meghalaya akedai Meghalaya along kidun erji angring nangdolo Jasemet Khanduli block 1 block 2 pen Chenglok Karbi Anglong along leke Meghalaya phan kipinang kokji ang thek nang klang tanglo lapen arlo ahoya tumaphan me ki phasi tami pangchen pon tanglo pusi birtarit dunlo News Text Report Malong News.
Thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and the Government of Assam for having invited us here to Guwahati to continue the discussion and the process for resolution of the border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya. Under the guidance and the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Home Minister, Government of India, both Assam government and Meghalaya government had initiated the discussion in the process of trying to resolve the border dispute between the two states, which has been there for the last 50 years. In 2011-12, the process of submitting the reports of the areas of differences from the government of Meghalaya was done. And based on those reports, the discussions have moved forward. And in the last 8 to 9 months, years, and stakeholders from all areas have already been discussed, details have been discussed with the stakeholders, they have been involved in the discussion. And based on a very, very detailed and very long drawn process, we finally were able to come up with an MOU which was signed in the presence of the Honorable Home Minister, Government of India, on the 29th of March 2022, where we were able to come to an understanding in 6 of the areas of differences out of the total 12 areas of differences. Based on that MOU, the Survey of India and the 2 state governments have started surveying and
6 dispute out of the 12 dispute raised by Government of Meghalaya in August 2011. Subsequent to that, Survey of India has started the work of delineating the border. Because of flood, work was initially slow, but now we feel that work will progress and it will Survey of India will be able to delineate the border in that 6 disputed sites according to the letter and spirit of the Memorandum of Understanding. On 8th August 2011, Government of Meghalaya has raised 12 disputed sites, and they have given us maps of 12 disputed sites. We resolved 6, but we left 6 at that point of time because we thought that let us begin from the less complicated sites to a so-called complicated sites. Today, Honorable CM Meghalaya visited Guwahati. We have taken a decision that now we'll start work on the remaining 6 disputed sites. Basically from Meghalaya angle or from the Meghalaya side, these 6 disputed sites is in 3 districts. That is in the 3 districts of Meghalaya. So like last time, we have decided to create 3 regional committee which will be headed by a cabinet minister from Assam for the Assam Regional Committee, and from Meghalaya 1 cabinet minister against 1 district or 1 regional committee, and that committee will be notified by the Government of Meghalaya. Within 15 days, Government of Assam will notify our 3 regional committee, and of course Government of Meghalaya will also notify the regional committees of their side within next 15 days. Once the committee is notified, committees are notified, the chairman of both the committees will meet, they will visit, they will talk to the people, they will try to resolve the dispute according to the spirit or according to the broader parameter which we have laid down in the at the
Bangphu ingwai pon tanglo nijangkari banglong hamren wholesale consumer and marketing cooperative society limited along labangso kangwai along jasemet BJP SDC APHL sasong tumsi chipati dun lasolong kadu kami bangkre hini amata BJP tumsi chipakai pon labo lason si kebang jia por laso cooperative society ahem kapa mesen jia phan lapen tangka mahata kirim kipi pa me jia phan klem dampon pa me jipu thake haya tumpen lanthe chipaklang labangso hut MLA Rup Singh Teron ia Mongol Singh Timung MSC Het Singh Rongphar abarim board chairman Richardson Hansepen chenglo tumta chetong dun hamren marostom ingti report Malong News.
Alih lah dak ini yang bangkai lah hamren mana consumer lah bangso marketing cooperative society itu lah kini kan open batai si lah bangso board of director dan member teman kang waido so kang wai long bang kategori ke thom dolo STia dolo women reservation of general dolo lapen lah so teng mesin litum Bharatiya Janata Party pen same litum candidate sab chetoy dolo nasi angto na candidate ame litum Bharatiya Janata Party pen se high lablo nasi lah so teng penelitum aprang sini li corong tung dak kat shareholder bang putam same Bharatiya Janata Party apan aning ase the la penelitum hijab pon itu masangnya po dak doktor tu dalam nohang ai lapen ini tuma MP Horen Singh be lapen dak le tum 20 nong bodna so MLA Rup Singh Teron claim kedam lapen dak Bharatiya Janata Party song long dak maju rode bong hang kai penang lok dak dogo be management committee penang lok BJP claim mampu ang hitam ta do desang se pen cerap rapet pen met non phong la bang so amran election ba ni tum siang to ta pon la
Nilai praksi pilih 2022 long nengkan chopan BOD election dulu langsung long nilai ST kota pensi nilai parti pen banang toy dulu langsung nilai shareholder teman curut nilai pan 207 vote mana out of 300 people pen nilai pan 207 vote na people nilai shareholder ko itu mas tame hirjumi lapen anang tumhan chorolo lasi nili litu masar atum penyong si pupot litu phan kachari jap apu napi pulatel anso se shareholder lapen ada hamren wholesale lapan anso se aprang ponji pasi nili bori pon
पाइपाइन को टॉक्सी थैंग प्रिंट प्रलियादा पोरफाई के थोमरा चितिम मालों मांजालों पांग थेक 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 त्रागा गारी स्कूटी हो मफान के पत्तों तिकांग लासो जग स्कूटी के वेक लापेन कचे थाबदना बांग आदि मालों अमात अपरान दाम जुइलो के पत्तों तिकांग लापु आंचे हिर कांग तांगलो अमहर नांग लितुम लांगुन ई लासो बिरता लोंगसी मांजा पुलिस स्टेशन पेन रायकोमा साइखिया तुम पाले दाम से किथी अतुम मफान पांग थेक पनलो अपरान के दाम जुइ इनोदा बांग के मांजा हजाई नाला आसो राजेन क्रो अर्ता थोंके ब्राइसी लापेन इनोदा बांग के रंजित बसुमतारी पुसी पांग थेक पन किथि तांगा बांग आरपुम हिनी रायकोमा साइखिया तुम से चिपारी देंग पनलो नोना मार के पत्तों तिकांग अगारी नेबलोंग लेलांग लापेन अपरान के दाम जुइ अतुम अगारी सितामे के पांग थेगा फाई आवेलांग पुसी बिरता रेबदुन लोंग मांजा पेन जुनेशन रोंग पी रिपोर्ट मालोंग न्यूज़
Bukulia Forest Bid Office lapen Bukulia Sen Moholdar Welfare Society atum Arniwang sang tiki pon bom amot paraphan arona tang ki choklim pen ki pon doma ve mapu ki ton kelang pedopon Sonsi pai pai ni phai ingkora troxiani ihu maron repen sang tiki pon amotor AS01 DD0747 Dimapur anat ke dam boma porahut Bukulia Forest Bid Office in charge Bapuram Singh nar lapen Bukulia Sen Moholdar Welfare Society atum mahin pen Nebdul si dong mukak Western Range mate head office along an aron repen ki pono motor phanwan betna birta ke tok boma poro hutan ke komar sang tia mohol pensi kewan noni patini ponong lelang la pen no mat ang ton pen kachini thegya phanpura arju pon bomna kuluni pen probintaro report malong news
Western Range dok muka anda bukule ekon bidalong sang tia mohol long pen ihum sang ti kiluda gari mata truck bang lo paso truck bang alang long with documents mata tipi au delo abang so tipi kabe joni se alang kan para so gari khani tum neblo so gari mata truck ni tum dak dil tumaren sukis long se bandar lo ase ras bang so gari phan ke ni tum pore sa arona teng pen nitum kangsa ye phan mate arona teng pen nitum sogari phan system
ko na mohol masi sogari nang ke wan long
kachini teng pen arlo kulutang te labang ke la patadisa mohol asun se chini na
wana por expense ke ne pon long lo
mili staff tumain phom na pe teng pen pro te baji pli rachi tim la baji pli la solom
ko na puna se ke dam bom lo gari pa
agari ke hala am holong benang son lo dak bang lo dak national highway an bang lo
ko dak lo man
national highway an bang lo la mohol welfare society office theng no lom se la so gari phani tum ne bang
la nep det pen kopi lo halal tum long ari deng long pipi documents do lo
documents ke bang driving license dolo phane lai alang gari ke vekje phana lai bang dolo
la sangti ke roi pon arona tang alu doma
sangti ke ponje phan la bang so arona tang la bang so alu bang sa
tepilo na
la soka beda joni sinang litum
alang
office
tum forest lage forest product horm matende na se so bang so sangti bang alang li aron repen se ke pona joni si tum bang gari bang khang na ko
ko so arrange pen ha kene pone
keren range ke tum dak dokmuka western range
Ande labang so agari nalitum nepcek pen nalitum la forest ekaron pen kon men si papon kes papon ban polake.
Labang ke la nitum la forest ek la shooting pen alang lipan valid documents ka ve labang so aron kopi bang itu la shooting pen papon.
Laso sangti ke pon ahem.
Nitum nam set rai arju hor lang public lang alang pan statement po. Asong things nitum proses po.
Motor ke kopilo agari ke.
LP
Litum kelang bom lake Malong News 24/7 hampang aparman klar da kabirta.